Hi guys, today we're making fluffy slime with Floam. I'm going to use clear glue for this slime today. You'll also need shaving cream, Floam, of course, I'll be using liquid starch, but you can use borax or detergent if you'd rather. You need something to stir with, yellow food coloring. You don't have to use food coloring if you don't want to. You could just leave the slime white. Alright, let's get started. Be sure to use lots of shaving cream. Most people don't use enough, and that's why their slime doesn't work. It takes quite a bit to make it fluffy and make the slime come together, and if you don't use enough, that's usually why your slime is runny. So keep that in mind whenever you make fluffy slime. puny slime, I crush you! If you liked this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any cool slime videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.